Assalamu alaikum viewers. In our previous lecture, we have discussed before about traditional classification of mammals into three basic groups: Prototheria. Second one we have Metatheria, and then Eutheria. Simply we can say egg-laying mammals. After that, pouched mammals and placental mammals. Today, now recent zoological understanding used in modern search mammals evolved from the reptiles. Their jaw bones transformed into air ossicles. Their hair evolved for thermoregulation, and mammary glands evolved from sweat glands. Instead of morphology, DNA and molecular data are now used. इससे पहले हमने जो डिस्कस किया था, we have discussed that old pattern of division was based on morphology. Old pattern of division was based on structure. Old pattern of division of mammals was based on simple placental structure. Old division of mammals was based on fossils based. The same case in anatomy. Old division of mammals was based on anatomy, but in the recent zoological division of mammals based on DNA and molecular data. In case of structure, as we discussed in old pattern, new pattern based on genetics, behavior and ecology. New pattern based not only one placental structure, it was based on placental types. The same case with the fossils records. It doesn't depend on only fossils records. It depends also on molecular clock. It not only based on anatomy, it also included genomics and conservation. So you can imagine how much research was done on the further classification pattern on mammals. अब हम देखते हैं कि if they use DNA and molecular data used, then modern mammals can be grouped into how many groups and which type of names we used. So in case of division, first we have Monotremata. Instead of using Prototheria, they gave it name Monotremata, egg-laying mammals. An example we have again Platypus. Platypus हमारे पास इसकी examples हैं. Second we have after that Marsupialis. These are pouched mammals as we discussed before, and examples we have kangaroo. Third one we have placental mammals, and in case of old pattern we call them placental or Eutheria, but in case of new pattern of division we called is placentelia. And examples we have, well, cows है, humans है, all of these can be used for as a examples के तौर पे हमने इन्हें ले लिया. अब हम मज़ीद इसकी डेप्थ में रिसर्च देखते हैं. फर्स्ट वी डिवाइडेड इनटू three basic classes with the changed name, but the same definitions will be here. Monotremata instead of Prototheria, Marsupialia instead of Metatheria or pouched mammals, and Placentelia instead of Eutheria or placental mammals. अब आ जाए मज़ीद इसकी डिवीजन पे. बट इनसाइड प्लेजेंटा मॉडर्न ग्रुप्स इंक्लूड Eptrotheria means elephants and such type of other organism. Second we have Xenartha in which sloths and armadillo will be included. Third one we have Loriartha. We have whale, bat and carnivores. Fourth we have Euarchontoriales. इन इसमें हमारे पास सारे rodents आ जाते हैं and primates are included. अब इनके spelling के साथ मैं description में ये सारा दे दूँगी. Division of mammals into basic 3 classes, and after that division of further placenta into 4 classes. This is the recent phylogenetic phylogeny. फाइलोजेनी क्या है ये तो हमने कह दिया कि इट इज़ द बेसिक डिवीजन ऑफ द फाइलोजेनी टाइप ऑफ डिवीजन है. लेकिन अब फाइलोजेनी क्या है? स्टडी ऑफ एवोल्यूशनरी डेवलपमेंट evolutionary development from forefathers, from ancestors to the प्रेजेंट जनरेशन। इसमें हमारे पास कंप्लीट लाइनेज ऑफ अ स्पीशीज़ और ग्रुप ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म, एक स्पीशीज़ की भी हम देख सकते हैं और एट अ टाइम हम ग्रुप ऑफ ऑर्गेनिजम्स को भी स्टडी कर सकते हैं। सो आई थिंक ऑल पॉइंट्स आर क्लियर नाउ।